Okay, y'all, I'm back to do another flip through. This one for another one of my Bookish Travel Crafting Kits made from a Reader's Digest. This one I used paisley fabric on the inside and outside spine, the same fabric for the permanent tie closure, and I also used tailor-made digitals for the printable digital papers for this book. This beautiful little baby comes from the Sewing Fashion Ephemera Set 1 kit that she has in her Etsy shop. This piece also came from that kit, and the other kit that I used is the Touch of Gold Junk Journal kit. And you can see some of the colors here. And then on the inside of this one, like the others, there are 2 pockets on this side and 3 pockets on this side, and 12 1-yard pieces of ribbon wrapped around permanent ribbon cards inside of the book. Again, all vintage ribbons. These are secured with a little piece of masking tape because I didn't want to clip these and loop them over while they were being mailed. You can clip these and slide the ribbons in yourself if you would like, or just use masking tape like I did to secure the pieces. So 12 yards of ribbon here. And then I created a booklet with pockets on the inside and some thread cards. There are additional slots to add 5 more pieces of thread to each card. These are also 1-yard cuts, so you get 10 different colors, so 10 yards of sewing thread with each of the travel kits. And these 2 pockets are made out of vintage book pages. I also made a needle book. This is her Touch of Gold paper kit. Just tied these closed with the strings that I used to make the book, and put a piece of pink felt inside of this one so that you could add your needles and safety pins and things in that you want to travel with. And then I'll tie this in a bow later, but it will slide in here. And then also there are 6 1-yard cuts of discontinued eyelash trims. I did the baby pink color, green, and a variegated pink on this card, or on this spool. And on this spool I did a baby yellow, a brighter pink, and then this variegated eyelash trim. And then I just have slits in the top where these slide in to secure. And then on this side of the book, again, there are 3 pockets. 2 are made from digital printable papers. 1 is from book pages. And I also created an envelope. And in the envelope are some little wooden clothespins and some buttons. I included another butterfly button. This is a little vintage teddy bear button. And these are all in colors that coordinate with the book and with the digital printable paper kits that I used. And then Velcro holds that in place. Then I also include lots of little things to craft with. You get 2 of these little bags. You get 2 Rolodex cards. And I'll just slide these in here in the top pocket. And these little paper bags or little paper sacks. I include lots of little pieces. A vintage playing card, if you like doing altered cards or collecting cards. A mini Uno card. Another mini playing card. 2 pieces of pressed botanical paper, and these are authentic floral petals in pieces pressed into the paper. And then you get 2 vintage German vocabulary cards. These are authentic, included in the kit as well. And these fit in this pocket. And then in the other bag, I've included a few tags. This one is coffee dyed with a string added and knotted. You also get 2 Tim Holtz tickets. And then you get 3 circulated canceled stamps. And I tried to choose stamps that coordinated with the colors in the books. And those also will slide into this top pocket. And then I included a scrap paper booklet for use in collaging or creating cards or whatever you would like to use it for. This one has a pink and clear vellum coffee dyed dictionary page. This is vintage paper. Also piano roll paper, coffee dyed paper, some cotton canvas paper, parchment paper. This is embossed vellum. It's embossed with butterflies. A piece of vintage music paper. And then these are the other sides to those pages. Okay, and then I just use the back board. Oop, there is a pocket here. Slide that into place. And then each kit also comes with a lace sample book. And the lace is stitched in with string. And in this one I included some pink lace, a creamy colored lace, This one is very, very soft. And then a piece of vintage fabric with some lace trims sewn to it. And another piece of pink lace here. And then this one I slide into this middle pocket. And then each book just ties closed. Thanks for watching, y'all.